you've got your driving test coming up. Hopefully, I can put a smile on your face with some words of encouragement. So, it's your driving test day. It's coming up. And are you one of the people who gets nervous, or are you one of the people who gets excited? This video is just really, hopefully, encouragement to you, to make you realise that you've got yourself to that standard where you're taking your test, and give yourself justice. Don't kind of let the occasion get to you. And this goes for people who get excited. It goes for both types of people. The excited ones, well, if you don't control the excitement, you're going to make a silly mistake. So remember, don't, be excited, but don't let it take control of your nerves, and let it kind of roll over into rushing junctions. Just keep yourself under control, and remember, you're there to do a job, which is pass that test. The ones who are nervous, remember, you've earned it just as much. You've got a tough job. You've got to try and control them nerves. And remember that also, try and enjoy it. Try and do your best you can. If you've got funny stories, by the way, and you want to leave a story below of the tears and the sweat you've gone through for learning the clutch control and the gears and the junctions and the roundabouts, by all means leave comments below, because I'm always reading the comments, and as you probably realise, I do reply to most of them. So leave comments below. It'll be always interesting, because people do join in the comments and add things to it. And if you don't pass, it's not the end of the world. There's always another test you can take. And I suppose if you do pass, leave a comment below as well. Tell us what happened on the test. Tell us if something funny happened. I can tell you a funny story, actually, where we're talking about funny things that happened. I had a lad who came to me years ago who failed his test, and I asked him what he failed for. He says, a boat. I said, a boat? He said, yeah, a boat on my test. I'm driving along, getting towards the end of my test, and I'm on a roundabout, and the test centre's on the other side of the roundabout, and there's a boat being towed by his car, and I'm not an expert, so I'm going to correct me if the sail was swinging round and hit the windscreen and cracked it. So the examiner had to pull over off the roundabout and stop the test there, and then straight across the windscreen a crack. He said, I'm sorry, I'm going to stop the test. And the test centre was probably about 300 or 400 metres up the road. So he was gutted, because it was a technical fail. At that point, he couldn't continue. So he came to me and told me the story, and it was funny afterwards, but I'm sure at the time it was frustrating and upsetting. So if you've got any funny stories and that happened on your test, by all means, leave them below. And remember what I said at the beginning, good luck, and remember, it's only a driving test.